In today's video, we are going to do some maintenance on my vending machine. We're going to run some errands and we're going to talk commission. Let's go. And speaking of maintenance, this is our first location, and if you remember my last vending video, I had to change a broken lock, and what do you know? Another broken lock. But apparently I've just been over tightening, so I got it under control. We're not going to do a pull today, and we're not going to add any candy, just really checking on things and doing some maintenance. I will add candy to one machine, but other than that, let's go. As far as this salon goes, I have this candy machine and I also have a candy box up here. I pay no commission. I snaked you. We're taking a break from the vending route already. Just stopping by the thrift shop. I never pass them up. I always stop by. I was thinking about flipping that glove for 25 bucks, but for $5 after everything, not enough profit. But anyways, I flip things on eBay and I get PayPal money, and I use the PayPal money to buy my vending machines. And I also do some other stuff to get my candy for free. This is my barbershop location, and no one decided to open up this Monday, so currently closed, but there's my machine. As far as the barbershop and this location right here, I pay zero commission, and this kid right here was cool. I gave him a couple quarters at the end.
What's your cell phone? 843.
We'll see what it looks like.
71.
Oh, it's because they all the money.
Yeah.
What if there was big money?
Sometimes fake money works.
Let's see.
Not all the time.
If I could just get your signature.
I'll take fake money too.
Now we go ahead and process your.
But this, coming open and spilling candy out.
Take it easy, Will.
Later, Will. This barbershop as well, I'm just doing a little maintenance on right now. I'm taping the flap so the candy can't fall out the bottom when the machine gets knocked around, but zero in commission this barbershop. And I do donate 10% to charity. I do let the business owners know that, and that's why I don't give any commission. This is my tent shop. There's always some dope rides out here, but I'm actually getting my daughter's car tinted tomorrow, so I had to come talk to my homeboy anyways over here, and the machine was looking pretty good. Not a whole lot going on there. And back at the thrift shop once again, you'll notice I got a bag to donate, but I didn't donate it to the shop before. That's because, you see, I just found a penny, but that's because I only donate to the Salvation Army, and they also get 10% of my vending profits, and I found 2 pennies. This is my gaming shop right here, the only one that that I filled any candy, and I only have a gumball machine here. And once again, zero commission. You know, we just don't make a lot. You know, if you had a guaranteed like $100 a month candy machine or something like that, maybe I'd give 20% then. But like I said, my commission goes to charity. And the homies shop is still closed. Anyways, my name's Tech Hustler. Happy vending, guys. Peace.